Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 380 Boston Whaler Outrage. What a magnificent boat. It's set up with a forward table that does drop down to make a platform for fishing or to fill in a cushion for the bow so you have a big area for laying out when you're at the sandbar. Going back on this boat, you can see it has a big, comfortable sun lounger with tons of storage underneath it on the front of the console. Boat is equipped with radar. As we work our way back in this boat, really nicely equipped. Dive door on the side, has a big, comfortable rear folding seat that's in the up position at the moment. Boat is powered by triple Mercury 350s. Does have a side seat that folds down and a very, very big, comfortable aft-facing seat with the backrest that drops down and gives you a workstation. Now at the helm, this thing is configured awesome. Twin ray marine screens, a little difficult to see in the video. It is a joystick Mercury boat. It does have the Mercury active trim system along with VHF radio and all your switches and everything, very easy to access. The boat is set up with the bolster / seat configuration, so the front of those seat cushions do fold down and make for a very comfortable seat to sit in with the armrest, or you flip them up and you have a full bolster set up so you can really enjoy the boat when you're running. Boat's loaded up, does have Seakeeper gyro, does have outriggers, and I'll tell you what, if you've never been on one of these boats, you got to get out and ride it. The 380 Boston Whaler Outrage is incredible. Has a magnificent cabin as well, a little difficult to see in this video, but the cabin has plenty of room in it, nice area for sleeping and closed head and shower. Alright, to get out and ride this boat or for more information, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.